process for opening trading and demat account with Tradebulls. Open your favorite browser and search for Tradebulls. Click on the first link, which is www.tradebulls.in. Select Open an account from right side top corner. Now enter your mobile number. Then click on I am not robot. And now click Verify. It will send OTP to your verified mobile number. Enter received OTP and click Proceed. Sign up by entering your name, email ID and creating password for future logins. Click Proceed for further process. We highly recommend the DigiLocker method. Using DigiLocker makes verifications easy, no documentation and saves time. We are choosing DigiLocker process for now. Sign into your DigiLocker account by your mobile number, username or by using your Aadhaar number. We are going through mobile number here, so we will enter mobile number and then enter 6-digit security PIN. Then click on Sign In tab. Enter your OTP from your registered mobile number and click on Submit. Then it will ask for consent to share your details with us. Click Allow for further process. That's it, your DigiLocker was successful. Click OK. Your data is fetched from your DigiLocker account. Check I'm resident of India. Provide your relation details and marital status. Click on Mobile Number Relation, select as per your relation and hit Verify. Now enter OTP sent to mobile and click Submit. Click on Email ID, relation select as per your relation and hit Verify. Open your inbox and find the email from Tradebulls. Once you open it, click the verification link provided to confirm your email. Now, return to tradebulls.in and click Refresh to complete the verification. Now, fill in the required details. Make sure to check all the boxes to agree and click Save. Choose Yes to add a nominee and enter the details along with the share percentage. If you don't want to add one, select No to continue. You can easily link your bank account by simply scanning the QR code from any UPI app. The details will be auto-fetched, or you can also manually upload and update your bank proof. Click Next. Choose your preferred brokerage plan and check the applicable depository charges. Click Next to continue. Upload your signature on plain white paper with blue or black pen only. SEBI regulations require you to take your picture directly during the account opening process. Choose how you want to take the picture. Option 1. Use your laptop or desktop camera. Option 2. Use your mobile device. Option 3. Scan a QR code with your mobile camera. We are going with Option 3. Follow the instructions provided on the photo capture page and ensure your entire face is clearly visible within the designated frame. Once you capture the photo, click on Refresh page to continue. Now scroll down and click on Next. You can finally review your details. Review your details, download the form and click Next to continue. Choose how you want to complete the signing process. We'll continue with e-sign for now. Allow pop-ups to proceed further. Enter your Aadhaar number and click on Send OTP, then verify the OTP. And that's it. Your form has been successfully submitted. You're now ready to explore your Tradebulls account.